Our bricks build more than walls. They create homes, radiating warmth and comfort, becoming the heart of every family.
Deep within the earth, a timeless craft meets modern innovation, transforming.
From humble earth to cosmic ambitions, our legacy endures.
Join us on an immersive journey, exploring the meticulous artistry and powerful machinery behind every essential brick.
From humble earth to cosmic ambitions, our legacy endures.
Our journey begins deep within the earth, where nature's raw bounty, rich clay, awaits its transformation. Every batch undergoes rigorous inspection. Skilled hands ensure only the purest, most consistent clay enters our process.
From raw earth, the journey begins as massive machines meticulously crush and prepare the clay for its next stage. Precision sieving refines the raw material, ensuring only the purest, most consistent clay proceeds to the next critical step.
From coarse earth to refined powder, each step meticulously prepares the clay, ensuring optimal consistency and quality.
Stored in pristine silos, our refined clay powder awaits its next stage, ensuring peak quality for every brick. Stored in pristine silos, our refined clay powder awaits its next stage, ensuring peak quality for every brick.
Automated precision ensures consistent sampling, guaranteeing every brick meets our exacting standards through rigorous testing. In our state-of-the-art laboratory, advanced analytics meticulously verify the clay's composition, ensuring unmatched quality and consistency. Our dedicated team meticulously monitors every stage, ensuring optimal conditions and unwavering quality from start to finish. Part of our process, colossal mixers vigorously blend the raw clay, initiating its remarkable transformation into building material.
Every data point is crucial. Precise analysis guarantees our clay's integrity, forming the perfect foundation for superior bricks.
Precise hydration is key. Water transforms the dry clay into a pliable paste, ready for its next meticulously crafted stage.
From dry powder to perfect paste, controlled mixing ensures ideal consistency for forming, a cornerstone of brick quality.
The vacuum extruder, a marvel of engineering, meticulously removes air from the clay, ensuring unparalleled density and strength.
From the extruder's die, a flawless column of dense clay emerges, perfectly formed, ready for its precise brick transformation.
Seamlessly, the clay column advances, approaching the automated cutting machine, where precise wires await to shape its destiny. With breathtaking precision, taut wires glide through the clay, effortlessly shaping each perfect green brick.
Delicately, automated arms transfer each green brick onto drying racks, beginning the crucial, slow process of moisture reduction.
Within controlled chambers, our green bricks patiently undergo a precise drying process, preparing them for the intense kiln fire. Microscopic changes unfold as moisture gently escapes, preparing each brick structurally for the transformative heat of the kiln. Carefully transported, our perfectly dried bricks approach the kiln's fiery maw, ready for their ultimate, strengthening transformation.
Within the kiln's fiery heart, temperatures soar, transforming fragile clay into incredibly durable, resilient building blocks.
Methodically, dried bricks journey into the kiln's inferno, where intense heat will forge their strength and enduring resilience.
Within the searing heat, each brick transforms. Minerals vitrify, deepening its color.
Advanced thermal monitoring and expert technicians ensure precise kiln temperatures, vital for forging bricks of exceptional strength. Our colossal tunnel kiln, a marvel of engineering, ensures every brick endures a consistent, transformative firing process. Under immense heat, the brick's very structure transforms, densifying and hardening, achieving its ultimate, enduring strength and beauty.
From fire to precisely controlled cooling, our bricks emerge, their newfound strength and rich color now permanently sealed.
Expert hands meticulously tap each brick, listening for the distinct resonance that confirms its structural integrity and superior quality. Under intense magnification, every minute detail is scrutinized, ensuring each brick meets our unwavering standards of excellence.
From individual inspection to impressive stacks, every brick embodies our commitment to consistent, uncompromising quality and strength. Robotic precision ensures each perfect brick is carefully placed onto pallets, ready for the crucial packaging stage. The final mark of quality, our distinctive brand logo, precisely stamped, signifies a brick of unparalleled excellence and heritage.
From our expansive warehouse, meticulously stacked, branded pallets of bricks stand ready for distribution, destined for countless projects.
Our premium bricks embark on their journey, loaded onto sleek, branded trucks, ready to build and inspire across the globe. Beneath the Earth's surface, the journey begins. Raw, rich clay, a gift from nature, awaits its transformation. Powerful excavators meticulously unearth the finest clay, ensuring the highest quality raw material for our premium bricks.
Heavily laden, our trucks transport the raw clay from quarry to factory, a vital first step in its grand transformation.
Beneath the Earth's surface, the journey begins. Raw, rich clay, a gift from nature, awaits its transformation.
At the factory, raw clay cascades into massive hoppers, marking the swift, efficient start of its intricate industrial journey.
Expert hands guide the clay onto its journey, ensuring a consistent, controlled flow into the primary processing stage.
The primary crusher, a titan of industry, meticulously breaks down raw clay, preparing it for the intricate refinement process ahead.
From raw chunks to precise fragments, our crushing process meticulously reduces clay, ensuring optimal consistency for the next stage. A complex network of conveyors guides the meticulously crushed clay, a ceaseless, rhythmic journey towards further refinement.
Inside the powerful hammer mill, clay fragments are meticulously pulverized, achieving the fine, consistent powder essential for superior bricks. From powerful mills, exquisitely fine clay powder emerges, a testament to meticulous refinement. Precisely measured water and additives are introduced, a carefully calibrated formula essential for our bricks' superior quality.
Within our vast mixing hall, multiple colossal machines rhythmically blend the clay, a symphony of power and precision. Witness the magic. Water droplets meet fine clay, initiating the perfect paste formation, a critical step for unparalleled brick strength. The powerful vacuum extruder meticulously de-airs the clay paste, compacting it to create dense, exceptionally strong, and flawless bricks. From dry powder to a perfectly homogeneous paste, our meticulous mixing ensures optimal consistency for shaping resilient bricks. From the extruder, a flawless column of dense clay emerges, perfectly de-aired, ready for its precise transformation into bricks.
The clay column journeys towards our texturing machine, where subtle patterns will be imparted, adding character to each brick. With delicate precision, our patterned rollers impart a unique, elegant texture, elevating each brick into a work of art.
Following texturing, taut wires precisely cut the clay column, forming individual green bricks, each now bearing its distinctive surface. Robotic arms delicately arrange each textured green brick onto multi-layered racks, ensuring optimal airflow for uniform drying.
Within our controlled drying chambers, each textured brick slowly, precisely loses moisture, preparing for the kiln's fiery embrace.
As moisture departs, the intricate texture of each brick sharpens, revealing the refined beauty that will endure for centuries.
Automated precision guides dried, textured bricks towards the kiln's fiery embrace, where their true strength will be forged. Within our advanced multi-chamber kiln, each brick endures a meticulously controlled, escalating firing process. Entering the preheating zone, our bricks gradually acclimate to rising temperatures, preparing for the intense, transformative firing ahead. In the kiln's inferno, each brick's textured surface deepens in color, vitrifying, forging unparalleled strength and enduring beauty. Our multi-chamber kiln, a testament to innovation, orchestrates a precise, progressive firing. The final fiery embrace, each brick's textured surface achieves its ultimate depth of color and enduring, flawless strength. From intense heat to rapid, controlled cooling, our bricks endure a final thermal challenge, emerging with unparalleled durability. Expert hands meticulously measure each brick, ensuring every dimension meets our exacting standards for flawless construction. Under the microscope, we verify the brick's dense, flawless internal structure, a testament to its exceptional strength and durability.
Behold the finished masterpiece. Each brick, a testament to exquisite craftsmanship. Our diverse collection offers a spectrum of rich colors and exquisite textures, empowering boundless architectural creativity. Our meticulously crafted bricks are presented with refined elegance, embodying a legacy of quality and timeless design.
Our brochures showcase the boundless architectural potential, inspiring designers and builders to create enduring masterpieces.
Our engraved plaque, bearing our timeless logo, signifies a heritage of unwavering quality.
Every detail matters. Our professional photographers meticulously capture the essence of our bricks, showcasing their unparalleled beauty.
From physical masterpiece to digital perfection, every image meticulously captures the true essence of our exceptional bricks.
Our expansive, modern warehouse stands ready, a hub of efficiency, where thousands of premium bricks await their global journey. Silent and efficient, our automated vehicles transport bricks through the warehouse, a testament to our advanced logistical precision. Powerful robotic arms meticulously load our premium bricks onto delivery trucks, ensuring secure and efficient transport worldwide. With precision and purpose, our branded trucks depart, carrying superior bricks to construction sites around the world.
Each perfectly laid brick forms part of a grander vision, embodying enduring beauty and the strength of exceptional craftsmanship.
With skilled hands and unwavering precision, masons transform our bricks into enduring structures, a testament to their craft.
We need 3 more pallets of red brick on level 5.
Copy that, sending them up now.
Our bricks craft timeless beauty, forming elegant archways that stand as enduring testaments to architectural excellence. Our subtle brand mark, embedded in every brick, signifies a promise of quality, a legacy of craftsmanship built to last. From grand facades to tranquil gardens, our bricks seamlessly integrate, creating spaces of enduring beauty and timeless charm. Generations will touch these bricks, a testament to their enduring quality, connecting past, present, and future within timeless designs. From ancient structures to modern marvels, our bricks embody a timeless legacy, built to withstand the test of centuries. Our bricks bridge eras, from historical foundations to modern marvels, creating architectural legacy. Our bricks grace the pages of prestigious architectural magazines, testament to their award-winning design and enduring quality.
At leading architectural conferences, our bricks ignite in SHIP, fostering collaborative design.
The ultimate destination, a beautiful home, built with our bricks, standing strong, filled with warmth.
Our bricks illuminate the path to a sustainable future, crafting innovative, environmentally conscious architecture for generations to come.
From our hands to yours, a legacy of quality, a brick that connects generations, building homes and futures.
Our bricks build more than walls. They create homes, radiating warmth and comfort, becoming the heart of every family.
Look, Mommy, it's our new house.
It's beautiful, sweetheart. We'll put it right here.
Our bricks create more than structures. They build the backdrop for generations of cherished family gatherings and lasting memories.
Every brick holds a story. From our factory to your home, we build the foundations for your family's enduring legacy.
The ultimate destination, a beautiful home, built with our bricks, standing strong, filled with warmth.
Our legacy extends into the future, a beacon of innovation, where timeless quality in the cities of tomorrow, our timeless bricks stand strong, shaping a future where tradition. From humble earth to cosmic ambitions, our legacy endures.